And staying on cricket, when the West Indies men walk out to face Sri Lanka in the first one-day international at Sabina Park on June 3, one of the persons who helped them with their preparation is former head coach Otis Gibson, who recently rejoined the coaching staff.
Gibson led the West Indies as head coach from 2010 to 2014. During his tenure, he led the Caribbean side to success at the 2012 ICC T20 World Cup. He was recently appointed as a member of the coaching staff for the bowling unit as the team prepared to face Sri Lanka in the 3 one-day internationals, 3 T20 internationals, and 2 test matches. Gibson is confident that his experience can help the bowlers to perform at their optimum.
I coach West Indies. I was a fan of West Indies before I played for West Indies or coach West Indies, and I've always, any opportunity I get to give back to West Indies, I'm always happy to do that. I feel like I've traveled the world. I don't think talent-wise, there's still a lot of talent here. It's just how we nurture the talent and get the best out of the talent to still be able to produce at the international stage. And if I can add anything over the next couple of weeks that gives them, confidence to go out and perform, then that's my role.
Gibson spoke about his new role and interacting with the new players.
Yeah, this morning was interesting, just meeting some of the guys, especially the bowlers, talking to the bowlers, trying to understand from them, especially leading up to the series, what it is that they want to get out of the series before the tournament starts, things that they need to work on to get better at. So it's good interacting with them. Obviously, assisting also with Coach Ravi Rampal, trying to help him to get the players ready for the series coming up.
Now, back in the 70s and 80s, the West Indies ruled the world with their 4-pronged pace attack. Gibson says he's impressed with the physique of a number of players in the training camp.
The one thing I see that I like already is that they've got the physicality. There's some good, tall, strong boys. They just have to have the capacity and the will and the desire to bowl fast. Fast bowling is obviously tough on the body, so they'll need to look after things like their fitness and stuff like that. But they got the physicality required for the job. They just need to now have the will and the desire. And I think there's a strong possibility that these guys that I've seen so far, and I'm going to see some more guys this afternoon as well. So. So far it's been quite pleasing to see the young players that I've seen so far.
Gibson has had stints as bowling coach for Bangladesh, England, and South Africa. The West Indies will be aiming to avenge their limited overs defeats to Sri Lanka in October 2024, where the host won the T20 International Series 2-1 and the ODI Series 2-0. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.